LTOBarcode.com.
Welcome to Tape Label Studio. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through creating your own custom LTO barcode labels using automatic mode in just 8 simple steps. After installing Tape Label Studio, open it from the Start menu. On the welcome screen, click Automatic Mode to get started. Choose the template that matches your label sheets, like Herma 4459 or Avery 6571. This ensures your barcodes are printed in the correct position. Now next, configure alignment options. Decide where the barcode, text, and any additional icons should appear on each label. Now pick a color style, including background and text colors to match your organization's color coding or preferences. Choose a border style to control how labels are separated, including options like crop marks, borders, or none at all. Optional settings include anti-aliasing, stretching, and checksum characters. These help fine-tune your output for your printer or workflow. Now, provide the first label ID, select fixed and variable characters by using the play and pause buttons, choose the media type like LTO9, worm, or cleaning cartridges, and finally select how many labels you want. Tape Label Studio will automatically generate the full sequence and show it in the preview. On the right-hand side, review the label sheet preview. When everything looks good, print directly to your local printer or export to PDF. That's it. In just a few steps, you've created your own custom barcode labels with full flexibility, no subscriptions, and no need to reorder expensive pre-printed sheets using Tape Label Studio. Download the free trial or get started today at tapelabelstudio.com.